Want to know how to add testimonials to your website using WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up WordPress.com and make sure you are under the WP admin of your favorite site or the site we have created. Now, once you're there, make sure you're under post or pages right here. So I'm doing for post, so you can go for pages as well and open up your existing page or post. Now once you're there, the editing page should open up on your window and it should be looking just like this right here. Now on the top left side, you should see this plus icon right here. So this should open up block inserter. So you can just simply search it up under blocks as well. But the easier one would be just simply hitting towards patterns right here. Now once you're under patterns, here you should be seeing various categories. Just scroll down all the way until you see testimonials right here. Just simply open up testimonials, and now here you should be seeing various options you can choose from. So you can just simply choose any one of these and drag and drop it to the canvas just like this, and your testimonials should be there as well. Now you can just edit it as you want and save it at last. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.